Well, here we are already back again. I said I was done, but then I did the answer key to your things, and I'm like, there's one thing we should just double check on. So we got one more vid. This makes 10, so that's a nice number, but maybe there'll be more if you guys have more questions. Feel free to ask for other stuff in algebra if you want to practice other things. I'm happy to make more. So here we go. Going through this, one of your worksheets has answers that say no solution, all real solution. So I just want to remind us what that all means. Now, what you guys are used to in algebra is one solution problems. Okay, so you have an equation like this. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this. We get 3x plus 15 equals 2x plus 10. I don't even know why I kept this thing. Subtract the 2x, we get 1x. Subtract the 15, we get -5. So we get 1x equals -5. Okay? That's a solution to the problem. Okay? In a linear equation without any squares, x squareds here, you're going to get one solution. Okay? And what's happening graphically is these are both linear equations. They're both lines, and they're both intersecting at x equals -5. Okay, that's what's happening here. Okay, this is what you're used to doing in algebra. You're used to solving two equations and getting an x equals. Okay, that's what you've done a lot of. Whoa, hold on. Easy there, cowboy. We almost lost it. We almost lost it all. Okay, that's what you've done a lot of. So this next thing, we really didn't do at all in geometry. Maybe you guys did this in 8th grade, way back in the day, but we didn't do it over our year. Maybe we had mentioned it here and there, but we didn't actually do it. So all real solutions is when you have something like this. Okay, so let's say we have this now, and we get 3x plus 15 on the left side, distributing. And then we do 4x minus x gives us 3x plus 15 as well. So you can see both sides are the same thing. Okay, and if we kept going, we'd subtract the x's, subtract the 15s, and we'd get 0 equals 0. So if you get something like that, again, if you can see it from this step right here, you get two equations on the same side. You could see it from this step. You could get something like 1 equals 1 or 2 equals 2. All that's telling you is that it's the same line. Okay, so graphically, we got a line that's 3x plus 15 here. This guy is 3x plus 15. And then we're setting it equal to itself. So there's another line that's also 3x plus 15. And so they equal each other for forever, for infinity. Okay, because they go together right on top of each other for all real numbers. So that's why it's called all real solutions. Okay, so if you get something like 0 equals 0, or one equation is the same as the other, it's the exact same equation, you get all real solutions. Okay, and that is going to give you the all real solutions answer. Okay, so that's what you would write at the end of this problem. You wouldn't end it with just this, 0 equals 0. They're not going to accept that next year. So you would say all real numbers or all real solutions, however your teacher next year tells you how to say it. You could say, sometimes people just say all real numbers. Sometimes people say all real solutions, whatever it is. Okay? This is a quick video, by the way. Hope you don't mind. Okay, so then you can have also no solution. There isn't an answer to the equation. Okay? So let's say we have something like this, and we get, again, we distribute. We get 3x plus 15. Sorry, I put all these problems kind of similar. Just make it easy on myself. And then, oh, did I mess this up? Yeah, the heck are you doing? What the heck are you doing? I made a mistake. Let's do this. Let's change it because Mr. T made a mistake. Okay, here we go. Sorry, guys. Mistake. Caught it. That's why I probably shouldn't have all made them look similar. So here's what we end up with here. So if we do this, and if we simplify this one, okay, well, the 3x's are gonna cancel, so we get 15 equals 14, right? And you could stop there, or you could keep going and say 1 equals 0. So you can see, well, that doesn't make sense. 15 doesn't equal 14, 1 does not equal 0. So this would be no solution. Again, you need to write that out. Okay, next year you need to like be able to write no solution and realize that it's no solution. Okay, so what is happening here graphically? Okay, in one solution, the lines intersected. Okay, if you have a parabola, you might get two solutions and a line is intercepting the parabola twice. Okay, in all real solutions, we had the same line. Okay, it was the same line. What is happening with no solution? Again, we have two lines, but they are, someone said it? Yes, they're parallel. Look at these equations. 3x has the same slope as this one, 3x, but their y-intercepts are different. So they have the same slope, but different y-intercepts mean they're parallel lines. Parallel lines doesn't intersect. So these two equations cannot have a solution because they don't intersect. Okay? That's what's happening graphically. And that's why you get a no solution. So hopefully this was a quick little reminder, reminded you of this stuff. You probably did this at some point in 8th grade, hopefully. Otherwise, man, your teachers are killing me. But there you go. I hope that's helpful. A little short video to remind you about no solution and all real number solutions. Hope you're having a great day.